If Photoshop is showing error 48, that usually means the installer is failing to write or extract files during installation. In simple terms, Photoshop or Creative Cloud cannot create, replace, or finish copying the files it needs. This can happen because of permissions issues, locked files, a corrupted cache, or background Adobe processes interfering with the install. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes you can try right now to solve the problem and get Photoshop installed properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, try the fastest fix. Restart your PC and run the installer as an administrator. A simple restart can clear temporary locks and the background issues that may be blocking the installation. After your computer boots back up, right-click the Creative Cloud app or the Photoshop installer and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer elevated permissions, which can help it write the files it needs without being blocked by Windows security or access restrictions. Once it opens, try the installation again and see if the error is gone. If that does not fix it, move on to the second method, which is clearing your temporary files. This step is very effective because corrupted temp data can interfere with Adobe installs. On your keyboard, press Windows and R to open the Run box. Then type %temp% and press Enter. This will open the temporary files folder on your computer. Now, delete everything you can inside that folder. If some files are in use and cannot be removed, skip those and continue deleting the rest. Don't worry if Windows says some items are already open or cannot be removed right away. Just ignore those and clear out as much as possible. Once that is done, close the folder and try the Photoshop installer again. Many times, this alone is enough to fix error 48. Now, if the issue is still there, the third method is to close all Adobe processes before reinstalling. Sometimes Creative Cloud services stay running in the background and block the installer from replacing files. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look through the list of running processes and end anything related to Adobe. In particular, close Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, ccxprocess, and Adobe I PC Broker. If you see any other Adobe-related background tasks, end those too. The goal is to make sure nothing Adobe is still running while you try the installation again. After ending the processes, go back and launch the installer one more time. If you want the best chance of success, I recommend doing these steps in order. Restart first, then run as administrator, then clear the temp folder, and finally close all Adobe processes. That sequence can solve most Photoshop error 48 problems because it removes the common causes step by step. Also, make sure your antivirus or security software is not blocking the installer, because that can sometimes create the same file write issue. If needed, temporarily pause it while you install Photoshop, then turn it back on afterward. And that's it. Those are the main fixes for Photoshop error 48, and in most cases, one of these methods will get your installation working again. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop or Adobe troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.